Aiden. Hey! We're doing a video on our dead bird. Woo!
And he's right down there. We're gonna dig him up and show you guys.
Yeah. Found him outside with a broken leg. And then only lasted like an hour or two. And then when we came back, broke. So
Oh, I see a feather.
that is?
I don't know.
Dude, I think look at another one down here. Oh. Yeah, what are you doing, man?
I see him.
You're done.
He's there. I see him, don't worry.
Take him off with your hands, man.
Go, man.
My battery's low. My battery is low. So if there is a part two, there's gonna be okay.